Least common multiple, example 3. Let's find the least common multiple of 5 and 13. This one's a little different than our last two examples because 5 and 13 are both prime numbers. So the only factor that they have in common is 1. So our ladder is going to be very short. 5 divided by 1 is 5, and 13 divided by 1 is 13. If you want to build a ladder, this is what it would look like. You would still build your L and still multiply the numbers within the L. 1 times 5 times 13. You would end up with 1 times 5 is 5 times 13, which is 65. If you notice right here, you end up multiplying the two numbers that we started with. So a trick would be, if the only factor that they have in common is 1, you can multiply the two numbers that you start with. If you can't remember that trick, it's okay. You can still build your ladder using 1, divide each of the numbers by 1, and build your ladder. Either way works. There's always more than one way to do math, but this is the way to build your ladder to find the least common multiple of 5 and 13. The least common multiple of 5 and 13 is 65. If I was skip counting by 5 and skip counting by 13, 65 would be the first number they had in common.